Hi, I'm Todd Fisher, West Coast Technical Supervisor. And on today's tip of the month, we're going to be learning how to clean the filters on the MPE models. If you have an MPE-A model, you're going to have two filters. One filter located on the cold water inlet, and the second one located just right of the recirculation. And if you have an MPE-S model, you're only going to have one filter located on the cold water inlet. To perform this maintenance, follow these steps. Step 1. Power off the unit by pressing and holding the power button on the front panel. Step 2. Isolate all easy valves, your cold water inlet, your hot water outlet, and if you have a recirculation line, that one as well. Step 3. Using a pair of channel locks, remove filters and drain the unit. You can clean the filters by using 1. Water, 2. Compressed air, or 3. A brush. Remember, all maintenance needs to be done by a licensed professional. For more information, please visit navieninc.com. Thank you.